job interviews. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for various developmental projects worth Rs 4,400 crore at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. These include projects worth Rs 1,950 crore rupees under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Modi said a house for the poor is not just a roof, but it is a medium for their dignity and empowerment. The Prime Minister said the government has introduced Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana as a base to fight poverty. During the function, Modi handed over the keys of the newly built houses to the beneficiaries and also interacted with them.
गरीबों के लिए घर है, पानी के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, शहरी विकास के लिए आवश्यक प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट से जुड़े भी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। मैं सभी लाभार्थियों को, विशेष रूप से उन बहनों को जिन्हें आज अपना पक्का घर मिला है, मैं सबको फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।